We are facing a critical situation at this moment. COVID-19 surrounded the whole world. In this situation, we have lost many important persons such as politician, player, doctor and many other professional persons. Seeing this video, we will know whom person we lost. Let's see some of the American politicians' name and their political party name. Larry Dixon. Larry Dean Dixon was an American politician who was a Republican member of the Alabama Senate. He represented the 25th district from 1983 to 2010, and he was also a House of Representatives from 1978 to 1982. Dixon died on Montgomery, Alabama on December 4, 2020 at the age of 78 from COVID-19. Weston Wes Edward Vivian. Weston Wes Edward Vivian was an American politician from the state of Michigan. Vivian was born in October 25, 1924 in the Dominion of Newfoundland. He served in the United States Navy as an enlisted man and officer from 1943 to 1946. He died in Ann Arbor, Michigan in December 2020 at the age of 96. Martin Sandoval. Martin Sandoval was a Democratic politician and senator for Illinois who admitted guilt to corruption charges in 2020. He sat in the Illinois Senate from 2003 to 2020. On December 5, 2020, Martin Sandoval died on Loyola University Medical Center of COVID-19 at the age of 56. Paul Spider Servants. Paul Spider Servants was an American politician and attorney, a member of Democratic Party from Maryland. He served as a member of United States House of Representatives from 1971 to 1977 and as a United States Senator from 1977 to 2007. Servants was the longest-serving senator in Maryland history until he was surpassed by Barbara Mikulski by a single day when her term ended on January 3, 2017. Paul Servants died at his home in Baltimore on December 6, 2020 at the age of 87. Marilyn Lewis. Marilyn Lewis was born on July 19, 1931. She was an American politician who served as a Republican member in the Pennsylvania House of Representatives from 1979 to 1982. She died on December 7, 2020 at Lansdale, Pennsylvania at the age of 89. Wallace Bernays. Wallace Bernays was born on March 22, 1926, was the chairman and chief executive officer of Bernays Group, a global manufacturer of aerospace and industrial components, and an American politician, member of the Connecticut Senate from 1959 to 1971. He died December 10, 2020 at Washington, D.C. in U.S. at the age of 95. Charlotte Taylor Sexsnyder. Charlotte Taylor Sexsnyder was an American journalist and politician who served in the Arkansas House of Representatives from the 74th District from 1985 to 1999, who was born December 15, 1923 and died on December 11, 2020 in Little Rock, Arkansas at the age of 96. Robert Blossom. Robert Blossom was an American politician from the Commonwealth of Virginia. He served in the Virginia House of Delegates before becoming Secretary of Agriculture and Forestry. He was first Virginia Secretary of Agriculture and Forestry. Blossom died at his home at Mapsville, Virginia on December 13, 2020 at the age of 83. Greg Burdine. Greg Burdine was an American politician who served as a Democratic member of the Alabama House of Representatives, representing the 1st District from 2010 to 2014. He was elected on November 2, 2010 and served on term. He was born on May 1, 1959 and he died on December 13, 2020 in Florence, Alabama at the age of 61. Sal Rocca. Marshall Rocca was an American politician who was an Italian immigrant to the United States who served as a member of the Michigan House of Representatives for several years, as well as serving a few terms as a member of Macomb County Board of Commissioners. Rocca was born in Castleberry, Italy, to Virginia and Aurelia Rocca, and he died of COVID-19 on December 13, 2020, in Troy, Michigan, at the age of 74. Paul was a Republican member of the Pennsylvania House of Representatives. Was served as auditor of Indiana County from 1965 to 1968, as a treasurer of Indiana County from 1968 to 1976. He then served in the Pennsylvania House from 1976 until 1990. He died on December 13, 2020 in Indiana, Pennsylvania at the age. Mamie Edmondson Buckott. Mamie Edmondson Buckott was an American politician of the Democratic Party. She was a member of the Virginia House of Delegates, representing the 95th District from 2004 to 2016. Buckott was first elected to Virginia House of Delegates in 2003. Buckott died on December 14, 2020 in Newport News, Virginia. Earl Dwight Hutto. Earl Dwight Hutto was an American politician who served as U.S. Representative from Florida's 1st Congressional District. He operated an advertising agency from 1973 to 1979. He was born on May 12, 1926, and Hutto died on December 2020 at the age of 94. Richard Joel Laird. Richard Joel Laird was born on July 4, 1939. He was an American politician who served in the Alabama House of Representatives from 1978 to 2014. He served on the Roanoke City Council from 1972 to 1976. Richard Laird died on COVID-19 on December 14, 2020 in Carrollton, Georgia at the age of 81. Jack Pace. Jack Pace was an American politician who served in the Alabama House of Representatives from the 19th District from 1993 to 2010. He died of COVID-19 on December 14, 2020 at Gadsden, Alabama at the age of 70. Frank Christopherson. Frank Christopherson was born in Superior, Wisconsin and attended Superior State College. Christopherson was a Democratic member of the Wisconsin Senate representing 25th District from 1963 to 1967. He also served in the Wisconsin Assembly from 1959 to 1963. Christopherson died on December 15, 2020 at Maywood Benedict Estate, living in Duluth, Minnesota. Donald Fowler. Donald Fowler was an American political scientist, professor, and political operative who served as National Chair of the Democratic National Committee in D.C. from 1995 to 1997, alongside Chris Dodd as General Chairman during this same period. He was born on September 12, 1935, and he died from leukemia on December 15, 2020, at the age of 85. In Columbia, South Carolina. Bill Buller Jr. Bill Buller Jr. was a Republican member of both houses of the Michigan legislature and local official in Oakland County. Buller earned his bachelor's degree from the University of Michigan and law degree from the Detroit College of Law. On December 18, 2020, Buller died on Huron Valley Senior Hospital from complications of COVID-19 and cancer at the age of 77. Eddie Lee Jackson. Eddie Lee Jackson was an American politician who served as a Democratic member of the Illinois House of Representatives, representing the 11th District from the appointment on January 9, 2009 to replace Webetter Ace Youngie in 2017. Eddie Lee Jackson was born on July 7, 1949 and died on COVID-19 on December 18, 2020 at East St. Louis, Illinois. He was 71. Jerry Ralph. Jerry Ralph was an American politician and member of the Minnesota Senate. A Republican, he represented District 14 in central Minnesota from 2017 until his death in 2020. Ralph was born on September 4, 1944 in Boston, Massachusetts and attended high school in Ann Arbor, Michigan. In November 2020, he was among a number of Minnesota Republicans who tested positive for COVID-19 after attending an in-person post-election party. After weeks of hospitalization, Ralph died on December 18 of complications from the disease. Nolan Ray Rogers. Nolan Ray Rogers was an American politician at the state of Mississippi. Rogers was elected to the Mississippi House of Representatives in 1983 and had served District 61 from 1984 until 2020. He died at his home in Pearl, Mississippi on December 18, 2020. William Winter. William Winter was an American attorney and politician. He served as the 58th governor of Mississippi from 18 to 1984. A Democrat, he was known for his strong support of public education, freedom of information, racial reconciliation, and historic preservation. Winter died at the age of 97 on December 18, 2020. John Ahern. John Ahern was an American politician of the Republican Party who served in the Washington House of Representatives representing the 6th District from 2001 to 2009 and 2011 to 2013. Ahern was in Harvey, Montana and lived with his family in Silver Springs, Maryland. He died on December 19, 2020 in Spokane, Washington at the age of 86. Richard Peter Van Hoef. Richard Peter Van Hoef was an American politician in the state of Iowa. Van Hoef was born in Boyden, Iowa in May 1925. He served in the 2nd District of Iowa State Senate from 1981 to 1993 and House of Representatives from 1993 to 1999 as a Republican. Van Hoef died on December 2020 in Sibley, Iowa at the age of 95. Ed Gomez. Ed Gomez was an American politician, a Democratic member of the Connecticut State Senate representing District 23, which include Bridgeport. On December 13, 2020, Gomez suffered serious head injuries during a car crash in Bridgeport and died from his injuries on December 22, 2020 at the age of 84. Ronald Philip Larry. Ronald Philip Larry was an American businessman and politician. He was the mayor of Las Vegas, Nevada from 1987 to 1991. Larry was a member of Democratic Party. Larry had battled blood cancer along with other health issues in recent years. In late 2020, he contracted COVID-19 and died shortly after under hospice care. Lil Hanson. Lil Hanson was a North Dakota Democratic NPL Party member of the North Dakota House of Representatives, representing the 12th District from 1997 to 2013. He died on December 23, 2020 at the age of 85. Lonnie Laffin. Lonnie Laffin was an American politician and architect. Laffin was born in Wimbledon, North Dakota. Laffin served in the North Dakota Senate from the 43 District from 2010 to 2018. He was a member of Republican Party. In 2018, Laffin was defeated for re-election by Democrat John Nell Beck. He died on heart attack on December 23, 2020 in Grand Forks, North Dakota at the age of 62. William McGee. William McGee was a Democratic member of the New York Senate Assembly who represented the 121st Assembly District from 1991 until 2018. McGee was first elected to the State Assembly in 1990. He ran uncontested in the 2008 general election and won the 2010 general election with 54% of vote. He died on December 24, 2020 at the age of 81. B.J. Marsh. B.J. Marsh was born on February 21, 1940. He was an American politician and member of the Missouri House of Representatives, serving from 1988 to 1992 and from 2000 to 2008. He was a member of Republican Party. Marsh died on December 24, 2020 in Springfield, Missouri from complications of COVID-19. He was 80 years old. Vic Staley. Vic Staley was a member of the Louisiana House of Representatives, best known for the since repealed Staley Plant Tax Shift Amendment. Staley was born in Karen Crow, Louisiana and moved to Jasari, Louisiana when he was 4 years old. Staley died of COVID-19 complications on December 26, 2020, just 15 hours before his wife Terry died. Nolan Madedal. Nolan Madedal was an American politician, a member of the Republican Party. He served as member of the Mississippi House of Representatives from the 10th District from 2012 to 2020. He previously served on the Mississippi Senate from 1996 to 2012. He died of COVID-19 on December 28, 2020, at Baptist Memorial Hospital of North Mississippi in Oxford, Mississippi at the age of 75. Lew Kleclow. Lew Kleclow was an American politician from the state of Louisiana, a Republican. He was elected to the United States House of Representatives for Louisiana's 5th Congressional District in 2020, but died from the complication caused by COVID-19 before he took office in the 117th Congress. Before his election to Congress, Kleclow served as a chief of staff to Representative Ralph Abraham. A special election for the seat will be held on March 20, 2021. On December 29, Kleclow died of complications of COVID-19 at the age of 41, 5 days before he was scheduled to be sworn into office. Daniel S. Paletko. Daniel S. Paletko was an American politician who served as mayor of Dearborn Heights, Michigan from 2004 to 2020. On December 29, 2020, Paletko died in office due to complications with COVID-19. He was 70 years old. Paletko formerly worked as a certified public accountant and a financial manager at Ford Motor Company. Paletko first got involved with politics by attending Dearborn Heights City Council meetings.